Ever wondered what it takes to unlock the extraordinary within you? It's a question that has puzzled many throughout history, and today we're going to unpack it. We'll explore the forces that can inspire, uplift, and transform you into your very best self. A key component of this journey is motivation. Think of it as the fuel that powers your engine. It's the fire that stirs within you, pushing you to reach beyond your limits, to strive for your goals, and to relentlessly pursue your dreams. The power of motivation can't be overstated. It's what gets you up in the morning and propels you throughout the day, turning dreams into reality. Then there's fitness. Fitness is more than just physical well-being. It's a state of mind. It's about feeling strong, capable, and confident in your own body. It's about maintaining a balance of mental, emotional, and physical health. Fitness enhances your life in countless ways, from boosting energy levels and improving mood, to sharpening mental clarity and fostering a sense of accomplishment. When these two forces, motivation and fitness, come together, they form a dynamic duo that can revolutionize your life. Every step you take towards a healthier lifestyle, every push you make towards your goals, contributes to unlocking the extraordinary within you. You're not just surviving, you're thriving, blossoming into the best possible version of yourself. Today we delve into the power of motivation and fitness, a dynamic duo that can revolutionize your life. Imagine starting your day with the wisdom of the world's most impactful speakers. You're opening your eyes and ears to their powerful words, a radiant beacon of enlightenment that ignites an internal fire, driving you to shatter limits and stretch for the unexplored universe of possibilities. Envision their speeches as the fuel that propels you forward, acting as the lifeblood of your determination and courage. Now combine this mental stimulation with the physical exhilaration of a well-executed workout routine. Feel the sweat trickling down, be in tune with the accelerated rhythm of your heartbeat, experience the surge of energy coursing through your veins. This is your testament to endurance, a symbol of your unyielding strength, resilience, and commitment to personal growth. Picture the rush, the challenge, the triumph. The exhilaration is beyond words. Imagine starting your day with the wisdom of the world's most influential speakers. Their words, a beacon of light that sparks a fire within, pushing you to transcend boundaries and reach for the stars. Feel the power of Les Brown's electrifying speeches coursing through your veins as you power through those squats. Embrace the resilience in your heart, fueled by his compelling words, and find yourself pushing harder than ever before. Unleash the potential within you, inspired by the raw passion in his voice, and conquer every obstacle comes your way. Now visualize yourself on the treadmill, adrenaline pumping, beating your personal best. Listen to Tony Robbins' invigorating words echoing in your mind, breaking the barriers of fatigue and doubt. His relentless enthusiasm fuels your every stride, pushing you your limits and beyond. His voice, a formidable force, drives you to spring forward with renewed vigor, smashing through the previous best times, setting new records. This is the essence of true motivation, the marriage of mental and physical fortitude. But remember, this journey begins with you. It's about the singular power of choice. It's about the moment you open your eyes to a new day, acknowledge the potential that lies ahead, and consciously choose to be better you were yesterday, to be stronger than the previous versions of yourself. This goes beyond a simple thought process. It's a radical shift in perspective, a disciplined approach that demands consistency and commitment. It's about recognizing the potential within yourself, the potential to grow, to adapt, and to overcome. This journey is about tapping into the inspirational might of these motivational titans, these giants of determination and resilience. Their influence is not meant to overshadow, but to illuminate your path. Their experiences and insights serve as a powerful fuel, a vibrant energy source for your personal journey towards success. It's about harnessing that energy and transforming it into tangible progress, using it to propel your journey forward, past obstacles, and towards your ultimate goals. It's about you, standing at the crossroads of potential and action, and choosing the path that leads to growth and success. But remember, this journey begins with you. Imagine the sensation of accomplishment, the rush of pure pride that floods every inch of you as you power through the last seconds of your exhaustive workout. Visualize the droplets of sweat trickling down your forehead, testament to your sheer determination and resilience. Feel the burn in your muscles, the ache that resonates within them, a siren call of your victory against your own limitations. Take a moment to appreciate the euphoria that engulfs you, the sweet satisfaction of knowing that you have pushed your body and mind past what you ever thought possible. You've tread on uncharted territories within yourself, braved the daunting and emerged victorious. You've danced with your fears, wrestled with your insecurities, and trounced them all. Such is the overwhelming power of motivation combined with a commitment to fitness. This isn't just about physical strength, but mental fortitude too. It's about the triumph of the spirit, the affirmation of your indomitable will. You've done more than just complete your workout. You've transcended your own expectations. This is the power of motivation and fitness. So, what are you waiting for? Time is of the essence, and it is unceasingly ticking away, reminding that every moment counts. Honor the knowledge of those who've come before, those who've risen to the challenge and triumphed over the trials life has thrown at them. Immerse yourself in their wisdom and use it to bolster your own resolve. Step into your athletic attire, filling each fiber and seam with your determination and ambition. Harness the power from within and rise to the challenge. Brace yourself to face the world, to make a mark, and conquer every obstacle that comes your way. Your journey towards greatness, your grand expedition, reaching the pinnacle of your potential begins in this very instance. Keep in mind, the only obstacle you'll face, the only hindrance you'll encounter, the only thing standing between you and your fitness goals is you. Rise, sweat, and conquer. Today is a new dawn, another opportunity to challenge your limits, to push past the boundaries, and redefine what's possible for you. Every day, every moment, you're presented with the chance to become a better version of yourself. The world is not just a playground, but it is your gym. It's the perfect spot to stretch your horizons, discover your potential, and challenge your physicality. From the grassy knolls at sunrise to the concrete jungle under the city lights, every space is a place to work on your strength, your agility, your determination. Life is in constant motion, and so are you. You are an athlete, a warrior, a relentless force of nature. You're not just existing, you're living, you're thriving, you're manifesting greatness at every turn. The sweat on your brow is a testament to your dedication, your commitment, your unyielding spirit. You're not just moving, you're evolving, turning every stumble into a leap, every setback into a comeback. You don't let obstacles deter you, you let them propel you. Every breath, every heartbeat, every muscle twitch propels you forward, so rise, sweat, conquer. The world is your gym and you are unstoppable.